It's shrimp and grits bowl day. Shrimp and grits is so tasty. Welcome to this day of making the most delightful shrimp and grits bowl with our smoke show bitchin sauce. This is such a tease because it's not widely available yet, but it is so tasty and I'm not gonna not make it. Let's talk shrimp, let's talk grits. I have both of them here. Similar to our meatball day when we made that delicious polenta, we have some mealed corn and it's gonna take a little bit of attention on the stove. You want a long spoon, you want to make sure that you don't burn yourself, and you wanna give it constant attention, just stirring constantly. So I'm adding this cup of grits to about 3 cups of water. I'm doing this right now with just water because I'm gonna cheese this up. I'm gonna add some cheddar. I'm gonna add some cream. Cheesy grits are so delicious. I can't wait. How can this be my longest spoon? Someone get this girl a longer spoon. While the grits are going, we're gonna get our shrimp started. Now you can use a great Creole mix or Cajun mix. They're a little bit different. One has more herbs than the other. Or you can just mix a bunch of your delicious spices and herbs that you already have, which is what I'm going to do. So I've got some great garlic powder. I mean, maybe you do this all first. I don't know. I was just gonna shake it up. It's kind of like shake and bake shrimp, right? Onion powder. Got some delicious paprika. Hello. Lovely. Oregano. Cayenne. It's a spice. I mean, use that as you do, as you feel like it. I'm gonna shake it, and then I'm going to dice up this onion and this red pepper, and I'm going to saute the vegetables first so that they're so pretty and beautiful. Then I'm gonna add the shrimp. It's gonna take a minute or so. Sometimes you would add tomato to this mixture, but I'm not gonna do that because in addition to adding tomato to this mixture, you would normally add bacon. But rather than adding bacon, I am going to wait and add my smoke show, which is so tasty and bacon-like, but I'm gonna add it just at the end, and it's gonna make everything just so creamy and delicious. And I can't wait. I feel like I may have earned some strong opinions when I said I was gonna shake that shrimp, but I did do it and it totally worked. So, feeling pretty, it smells really good. It smells really good. Let's also talk about the other component. We're also going to do okra, which is such a fun Southern thing. And there's, you know, some people who think that this is maybe like a little slimy and they don't like it. That's often a common thing that I've heard. I think okra is actually really delicious. I like vegetables that you can't get everywhere and that have like a very distinct cultural significance. So I'm pretty stoked about being able to find a fresh okra, and we are going to roast this because you don't have to just do a saute or anything. You can fry it. You can do many things with the okra. And for us, we're gonna roast it. And we're gonna keep it pretty simple. We're gonna roast it with a little bit of onion, garlic, olive oil. I'm gonna throw in some beautiful cherry tomatoes and roast those also, and it's gonna be so delicious. And I kinda can't wait to try these delicious okra medallions, wheels, coins. Do we have a preference yet? Can we take a poll on this? What is it? Is it a wheel? Is it a medallion? Is it a coin? Is it a circle on a bias cut? All right, well, maybe a decision for a different day. But all I know is that I'm roasting those puppies like I told you I would, and I'm going to get those diced so that our shrimp can get going. So I put a bunch of butter in those grits. Like a nice chunk. And then I'm also gonna add this now that they're getting nice and soft. Cream. And then I'm gonna add this, which is cheese. These are cheesy grits and they're gonna be so good. Bell pepper, scallions, garlic. Going into the pan, I'm gonna saute them in that order. And then, once I feel confident in the translucence of the moment, I will add the shrimp. And I will get them all nice and delicious and sizzling, and then I will turn off the heat. And then I will add the smoked shell. And you will see, it will be great. So we have our delicious, creamy, cheesy, utterly scrumptious grits. We have our okra that was roasted, and I swear there is nary a slimy piece here. It's really delicious, actually. I really like it. Our little tomatoes, adding to the mix. And then I'm just gonna top her off with these smoke show shrimpy shrimps. Smoke show shrimps. I'm topping it off with the shrimps. And then I'm gonna put a little bit of scallions. It's kind of already sauce, but maybe I'll add a little bit more sauce. Because that smoke show, that'll give you all of the good feels. Maybe a little more scallions. Yeah, a little more. Okay. Does it need anything else? Ah! It needs hot sauce. Shrimp and grits without hot sauce is kind of a, like, what are you doing? So here we have it. We got our shrimp. We got our grits. We got some delicious okra. We got our smoke show. Hello. And now it's just time to dig in. Come here, you tasty little scrimp. Actually, wait. These ones have the tail on, so I'm gonna do a little doctoring. I free you. I feel like you can hear me chewing really hard, but it's actually because everything is done really well. It's so perfect. It's just a really tasty, tasty bite. This is a slam dunk shrimp and grits. I don't know if you've ever had the dish before, but if you haven't, you should definitely try it, but you should most definitely try this one. Smoke show. Stealing it. Stealing the show, stealing the party. She's a diva. So incredibly delicious. The shrimps are amazing. The grits, just creamy, tasty, out of this world. Anyways, I'm gonna just keep eating this until, oh shoot, I have to go. All right, cheers, thankful for you, thankful for this bowl.